This is going to make my job so much easier. Welcome back to your home garage. Now, I just received my brake piston caliper press tool that compresses the caliper for easy pad installation, and I can't wait to show you how to use it. So first off, this wrench compresses the piston quickly and easily into the caliper. Because of the design, it creates even force when compressing pistons to ensure proper alignment and to prevent damage to brake components, which is a lot better than the C-clamp I used to use when I was a teenager. This ratchet also gives you a full 360-degree swing so that the spreader may be placed in any position. It's also magnetic, so it holds plates in place for tool-free changeover, easy to install and remove. This extended reversing lever allows for easy change from spreading to retracting. You'll also like the strength and durability that this tool offers because the carbon steel, the ratcheting screw, and pad plates are all designed with quality in mind. And lastly, it's ideal for most vehicles, large trucks, and commercial vehicles with single or multiple piston calipers. Now let's put this to use. So once you have the tool in place, just take your time because the compressed piston is pushing fluid back into the brake line, to the master cylinder, and then to the reservoir. So if you go slowly, you won't have any issues. And just ratchet the piston until it's compressed all the way down because you'll need a full gap when installing new rotors and pads. There you have it, a simple tool to make the job a lot easier. I'll also place the link in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.